Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things product comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, aka the Sharkinator. And on the right, we have the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, affectionately known as Lefantastic. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, suction power. The Sharkinator boasts incredible suction that picks up dirt and debris on all floor types. Reviewers have praised its efficiency, especially on hardwood and carpet. Lefantastic also claims to have powerful suction, and many users highlight its effectiveness in picking up pet hair without needing to clean a brush roll. However, when it comes to raw power, Sharkinator takes this round with a knockout punch. Next, let's talk about the price. The Sharkinator will set you back a cool $599. Lefantastic, on the other hand, is only $209. You could buy 3 Lefantastics for the price of 1 Sharkinator and still have cash left over for a pizza. Reviewers agree that Lefantastic is a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for its price. Lefantastic wins this round for being wallet-friendly. Now, on to the self-emptying feature. The Sharkinator has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. Reviewers love the convenience, though some note the process is quite loud. Lefantastic, well, it's manual labor here. You'll be emptying that tiny bin frequently, which some users find tedious. Sharkinator takes this round with ease. Let's get physical, or rather, let's talk size and design. Lefantastic is a sleek little ninja with an 11 inches diameter and 2.99 inches height. It can sneak under beds, sofas, and probably through the cracks in your relationship. Reviewers appreciate its ability to clean hard-to-reach places. Sharkinator, on the other hand, is a bit more robust, like a linebacker on a cleaning spree. Lefantastic takes this round for being the ultimate stealth cleaner. Navigation and mapping, the brains of the operation. Sharkinator uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home with the precision of a military drone. Reviewers commend its excellent mapping capabilities. Lefantastic, with its free Move 3.0 technology, is more like a cautious explorer, avoiding obstacles and figuring things out as it goes. While effective, it doesn't quite match the high-tech wizardry of the Sharkinator. Sharkinator wins this round. Pet owners, this one's for you. Sharkinator's self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to pick up pet hair and not get tangled. It's like having a professional groomer on standby. Reviewers have praised its performance, especially for homes with pets. Lefantastic also fares well with pet hair, thanks to its unique suction mouth, but it's no match for Sharkinator's anti-hair wrap technology. Sharkinator takes this round with a fur-tastic performance. Overall, reviewers find the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum to be powerful and advanced, though a bit on the expensive side. It's particularly praised for its excellent mapping, cleaning capabilities, and convenience features. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is appreciated for its affordability, effectiveness in picking up pet hair, and ease of use, though it lacks some advanced features. And there you have it, folks. After a fierce battle, the Sharkinator emerges victorious. It's like the Michael Jordan of robot vacuums, unstoppable and always ready for action. But don't count out Lefantastic just yet. It's a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, especially if you're looking for something sleek and sneaky. Whether you're Team Sharkinator or Team Lefantastic, remember, the best vacuum is the one that fits your needs and budget. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean, smart shoppers.